We're on the back porch showing you how tall it is on the back porch, tomatoes. Now we're going to try to do a little bit of garden update with you. Here's one from the back steps, tomato plant. Here's another tomato plant off the back steps. Tomatoes from the back porch around it. Ronnie's got the garden and everything fixed up real nice this week. Got all the grass cut and everything. You can see a little bit of the garden from here. Okay, we're going to start on the side. There's some very tall ones out here now. Tomato plants. He's still not planting the watermelon and they're growing good. We got some new lumber to build some more garden beds. Got it from Lowe's. Watermelon plants out here ain't doing too good. Don't look like. Here's all the Roman tomatoes. There's 14 of them. They've got tomatoes on them. There's pear tomatoes. You name them, they're out here. That's what kind we got. We got beefsteaks and hybrid big boys. I think. I don't know. Pumpkins. Oh, look at this miniature sunflower. Ain't it pretty? Look at the lilies. If the deers would leave them alone. We got flowers and stuff up there too. Beginning at the steps in front, there's beans. Ronnie's got about four or five strings to hold them up on top. My tomato plant looks good right there. The roses, if the beetles would leave them alone, it'd be all right. There's our topsoil and stuff we made our trip to Lowe's for. We're going to fill this tea bed in. Ronnie's been working on it. Strawberry bed. Deers has been eating the tops off our tomatoes over by the building. Kale and peppers. Mustard. Turnips and kale. Strawberry bed. The beetles been trying to eat the strawberry leaves up too on our bed. Here's the big old tomato plants in the garden. Here's the cabbage, peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes. Big sunflower up there. Big watermelon, you want to see it? Baby watermelon, right here it is. There it is. No, it's squash. Looked like watermelon for a minute. No, it's squash. More squash. Looked like watermelon for a minute. Sorry. Fast garden update for today. Ronnie's got all the grass cut. It's looking pretty in the yard again. This is the side of where the beans is at, tomatoes. Here's squash. That's where the yellow neck squash is. Strawberries are blooming again. Starting up the porch. The flowers and the garden stuff that's up here that has not been planted yet. Look how big these tomatoes are that ain't been planted yet. There's some big ones. Rose bushes. 2 rose bushes sitting here. And this one is a Althea. Lemon trees.